CEMOTO electric bicycles, redefining the way you ride. In today's world of rapidly evolving transportation, CEMOTO electric bicycles are advancing toward a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. Backed by strict quality standards, advanced manufacturing facilities, and an experienced technical team, we deliver stable and reliable e-bike solutions to the global market. From design and prototyping to semi-finished production, final assembly, comprehensive testing, and secure packaging, every module of each e-bike undergoes rigorous inspection. Our mission is simple yet powerful: perfect every detail and deliver products with long-lasting vitality and performance. Driven by continuous technological innovation, CEMOTO moves steadily forward on the path of green and sustainable development. We hold multiple international and domestic certifications, patented technologies, and are proudly recognized as a China national high-tech enterprise. At CEMOTO, we believe stable products require excellent service. From product selection and customization to after-sales support, our professional team is always ready to assist customers and exceed expectations at every stage of cooperation. In order to better serve global partners, shorten the delivery cycle, and improve delivery efficiency, we also maintain overseas warehouses in the USA, Canada, and the UK, enabling flexible branding, small batch testing, rapid market validation, and reduced initial investment risks. With a strong supply chain and long-term partnerships with professional e-bike component manufacturers, CEMOTO ensures consistent quality, reliable supply, and dependable performance. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. CEMOTO is more than a manufacturer, we are your long-term partner.